Looking for the best gardening multi-tool that can handle everything from pruning to digging? Stick around, because today we're ranking the top 5 garden multi-tools from weakest to absolute best, so you can pick the right one for your yard work. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Esschert Design GT103. It's a compact and classic looking multi-tool with a real wood handle that definitely gives it that rustic, I know what I'm doing in the garden vibe. But is it enough to compete with the big dogs on this list? Now, it does come with 5 useful tools: a hook blade for roots, a pruning knife, shears with a safety lock, a taproot weeder, and a wood saw, all housed in a very portable frame made of stainless steel and ash wood. If you like the idea of tossing a handy tool in your back pocket for quick touch-ups around the yard, this one fits the bill. But here's the thing, it's really small, like noticeably smaller than the others on this list, and that size becomes a bit of a limitation if you're dealing with anything more than light-duty gardening. If you've got thick branches or tougher roots, you'll probably feel it underperforming. That said, if you're a casual gardener or just want something quick and easy to carry for light maintenance, the Esschert GT103 isn't a bad choice. But if you're looking for something tougher, let's move on to number 4. Next up at number 4, we've got the Kikkerland CD518 Pocket Trowel Multi-Tool. This one looks and feels a bit more like a traditional pocket knife, but with a gardening twist. It's a little bigger than the Esschert and adds a bit more muscle to your toolkit. It offers 5 practical tools: a trowel, weeder, pruning knife, saw, and root remover. So you've got a little bit of everything for digging, cutting, and pruning, all in one foldable tool. The stainless steel build and beechwood handle strike a nice balance between durability and comfort, and however, similar to the Esschert, this tool isn't built for heavy-duty work, and if you've got larger hands, that compact design might feel more like a toy than a tool. So while it adds more function, it's still best suited for light to medium tasks. This is a solid choice for gardeners who like versatility without lugging around a full tool belt. And just a reminder, if any of these tools catch your eye, we've linked all the products with the best prices down in the video description. At number 3, we have the BIBURY HYJ02G, and this one's definitely stepping things up. With its sleek, foldable design and ergonomic feel, it's made for gardeners who want convenience without compromising too much on capability. You're getting 5 built-in tools here, including pruning shears, a knife, wood saw, hook, and bark shovel. It's compact and thoughtfully designed with a textured handle that helps with grip, especially if your hands get a little sweaty or dirty. But here's the kicker, it's really only good for cutting smaller branches, like up to a 1/4 inch thick, and some users have reported minor quality control issues, like loose components over time. So while it's great for detail work and general use, it might not be your go-to for anything too aggressive. And if you're into regular plant maintenance and you want something portable and user-friendly, the BIBURY multi-tool could be a perfect fit. And hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like it and hit that subscribe button for more hands-on reviews like this one. Coming in strong at number 2 is the IGRARK MG004. Now this one means business. It's a bit larger and heavier, but that extra bulk comes with serious functionality. We're talking 7 integrated tools here: pruning shears, a paring knife, wood saw, bark shovel, cross screwdriver, bottle opener, and can opener. That's a full toolbox in one foldable unit. The hardened steel blades are sharp enough to handle branches up to 1 inch thick, making it one of the most capable multi-tools in this lineup. That said, the synthetic handle doesn't quite measure up to the premium feel of metal or wood. And yeah, it is a little on the heavy side, which might not be great if you've got a long day of yard work ahead. Still, the sheer number of tools and cutting power puts this one near the top. If you want a true do-it-all multi-tool that can tackle nearly anything in your garden, the IGRARK MG004 should definitely be on your radar. And finally, our number 1 pick, the Fiskars Garden Scissors. This isn't just a pair of scissors, it's a full-on garden command center that folds neatly into one sleek ergonomic design. You've got 7 tools built in here, including sharp shears, a wire cutter, twine cutter, bottle opener, can opener, an awl tip, and even a knife when you take the shears apart. The precision ground steel blades stay sharp, and the handle is designed for comfort even after long use. Sure, it's not built to cut down tree trunks, but for nearly every household garden task, trimming, tying, opening, slicing, this tool gets the job done. And unlike some of the others, it manages to be both tough and easy to use. If you're looking for the ultimate balance of versatility, comfort, and cutting power, the Fiskars multi-tool is hands down the best bang for your buck. Alright, that wraps up our countdown of the best gardening multi-tools out there. If one of these caught your eye, make sure to check out the links in the description for the best prices online. And if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews just like this one. See you in the next video.